very good evening and a happy Saturday to all of you tuning in. This is T-1 to the all-important finals. We're ready. A virtual semi-final, the second qualifier. This is what we have for you. Puneri Bappa taking on the Raigad Royals. Puneri Bappa will be bowling first. Just take a quick look at the teams. Both teams unchanged from what we saw. We're hoping the weather gods stay kind to us. Siddesh Veer, the man with the orange cap, will be in action today. And so will Murtaza Trungpala and Rishikesh Sonawane as well. Plenty of big stars on display.
The two openers, Vicky Oswal and Siddesh Veer, they did well yesterday. So Vicky Oswal got some good runs.
Sachin Bhosle will open the bowling. He's been absolutely amongst the wickets. He's going to bowl from the far end. And they'd love to replicate what they did last evening. The only difference, though, they're batting first today. We were chasing yesterday. And we're ready to rumble. The Eagle Nasik Titans await their opponents for tomorrow evening. It's Puneri Bappa versus the Raigad Royals. And it's game time. The Royals in pink, Puneri Bappa in blue. And we're ready to go. Bhosle to Vicky Oswal. Two sounds immediately and a boundary to start. That is an absolute jaffer. That's a big appeal. Now they're just surprised that the umpire's finger didn't go up. That came in, and how? Oh, this could be close. They have gone upstairs.
The impact is umpire's call and the wickets are missing. I'll go back to the umpire on field.
That is a shot of authority from the man in form. That is a comeback and a half. That's one way for a fast bowler to come back after being smacked for six the previous delivery.
Get smacked for a six. Again bowls a fuller one, angling in. Vicky Oswal couldn't read that one at all. And that's fire coming out of Sachin Bhosle's eyes. Massive, massive, good wicket. Yesterday, Vicky Oswal was amongst the runs, scored a 70 odd. Now, today, Vicky Oswal goes back on 11, RR 14 for 1.
In walks Onkar Khatpe. Vicky Oswal going back.
Siddesh Veer going, he'll try to go aerial. I was just about to say that. He'll try to go aerial, connects that one really well. Siddesh Veer goes on top. Bhosle. That one bowled on the leg stump. It'll go all the way. It goes, passes the boundary.
बिल्कुल यहाँ पर चौका आएगा. बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश. अच्छी गेंदबाजी.
Appeal, he's already started celebrations. Run out chance at the non-strikers here. Nikhil Duma is an interesting character. He already started his celebrations with the claps. But now is he able to convince his captain to go for the review is the big question. They have.
और ये गेंद मिसिंग था बिल्कुल. जो एंगल थी ना उसके लिए बाहर बिल्कुल बाहर जाते वाली.
How was he connected? He's connected that well. Good finish in the power play for the Raigad Royals. Gauge the call and taken. Up there in the slot.
स्पिन के खिलाफ 86 का स्ट्राइक रेट रहता है इनका. वो परेशानी दिख रही थी. और जिस वजह से इनको 3 नंबर पे भेजा था ना, बेशक 21 रन ही बनाते लेकिन तेजी से बनाते तो वो ज्यादा काम आते. वो टीम के काम आते. खाटपे को जाना पड़ेगा वापस. इन्होंने बनाया 21. ऋषभ राठौड़ आए हैं बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए.
और दोनों बार मुझे लगा काफी करीबी मामला. बढ़िया गेंदबाजी. ये बोल ऋषभ राठौड़ भाग सारे बोलते हैं. ये डाला था उल्टा. और देखो हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट माने गए थे अक्रॉस द लाइन. और ये बड़ी विकेट. कप्तान ऋषभ राठौड़ आउट हो गए.
Yes, Rishabh Rathod has to walk back for 5. It's 65 for 3. And Neeraj Joshi comes in. He played a useful hand last night. Taken on the full this time. But again, there's a fielder there. Oh, misfield. Very well done there in the end.
पड़ेगा बिल्कुल बाउंड्री है देने पड़ेगी ये चौका
This time Apesh. Fielder. Oh, what a catch! This is sensational from Ramakrishna Ghosh. Yes, Joshi walks off for 5. It's 81 for 4. And in comes the impact sub, Harsh Sanghvi.
Great bowler who can also field really well. Now this could be another wicket. And it most certainly is. He's got big buckets, Ramakrishna Ghosh. Nikit Dumal amongst the wickets. Ramakrishna Ghosh taking another.
हर्ष संघवी को जाना पड़ेगा वापस 3 बनाए इन्होंने
Ajay Borde comes in at number 7.
थी पिछले 2-3 दिन से यहाँ पे भी तो शॉट लगाई है यहाँ पे भी तो 4 मिले हैं
And this one was also Hoik. This one getting the timing right again. Sideshveer gets that one.
यहाँ पे विकेट मिल सकती है मिल गई है जी अभी तक सिर्फ इस टीम में एक ही गेंदबाज था जिसको विकेट नहीं मिली थी उनको भी मिलती हुई
Now the big wicket of the orange cap holder. Ramakrishna Ghosh has been everywhere. High on the bat, near the shoulder. Got the height, never got the distance. And the Raigad Royals are going from bad to worse. Sideshveer will depart for a really long innings of 42 of just 40 deliveries. For 8 walks in, Harsh Mogavira. He'll get 4 more. Come back to that. He's hit that well. That is a top shot from Ajay Borde. And another edge. Take 4 more. How do you place a fielder there? 8 runs.
और यहाँ बड़ी हिट लगाने की कोशिश करी है संपर्क नहीं हो पाया है एक और विकेट गिरती हुई निकित धुमाल दूसरी विकेट मिली है इनको आज और इस पूरे सीजन में कमाल गेंदबाज
Of Harsh Mogavira, who departs for a quick 8. RR 113 for 7.
Now, did that come off the bat? There is an appeal. The umpire's finger does go up eventually.
Really good bowling there. Kept on digging it short of length, and this one a little ahead. Tries to hoik that one, Ajay, but then getting it on his gloves. Bit too quick for the batter, and that is the one he was looking for. And Ajay Burde goes out for 10, 115 for 8.
Now that's got plenty a mile. And he'll get a 6 off his first delivery. Oh, it started well. Now, all eyes will be on the umpire. Has that been signalled a no ball? Oh, you bet it has.
4 ones. Last ball coming up, and he misses. And this is a run out. Must be a run out. That's very good last over bowling by Nikit Dumal.
Yeah, very easy for Suraj Shinde.
Yes, thank you. You can load.
What
out
a sensational finish.
Out.
130. You'll have to say they're at least 20 to 30 short of what seems to be a par total. And they now equal the lowest ever total in playoff history in the MPL. 34 is what they'll come out to chase for a place in the final.
And this is a batting card for the Raigad Royals, starting off with Vicky and 133 for 9. Good bowling card there by Sachin Bhosle. Still a little tad too expensive, 8.33, but all of the bowlers getting wickets, and Ramakrishna bowling well. And
to win 1-3-4 to go into the finals of the Adani MPL. We'll take a break. When we come back, it's time for the chase.
After the victory, last evening.
यश नहार बिल्कुल बढ़िया बल्लेबाजी की इस साल.
Murtuza Trunkwala 215 runs in this Adani and to start the proceedings for the Raigad Royals is Sagar Jadhav. 6. Is that record going to continue? Oh, nice start there. Then
लगा के नहीं चलेगा आपको. बढ़िया शॉट यहाँ पर. कमाल का टाइमिंग. यश नहार.
on the attack. Was it off the bat? No, he's saying it's off the back. But the bowler fielders are convinced. But what matters is Rishabh convinced? No. Just a strategy to put some pressure. In the air, taken! Straight to the fielder. Murtuza must be thinking, what have I done? But what a start! Murtuza dismissed. Hasn't disturbed the scorers a lot. Just a run that he scored. 6 for 1, Punari Bappa. In at number 3, Hrishikesh Sonavne. Yeah, he was a... Coming round the wicket, takes the inside edge. And that before. So a lucky start, unlucky Nikhil Kadam.
फिर ये गेंद हवा में है. ये बढ़िया स्टॉप किया है. चौका.
Connected. Super shot this by Hrishikesh Sonavne. Another boundary for him. After 2, Punari Bappa 90.
Pulls that one behind square. Fielder will not be able to cut it off. Oh, is that an opportunity? Yes! He's broken through once again. Tanay Sangvi.
ये लाइन बहुत ही बेहतरीन. और देखो कहाँ खेलने गए. और टॉप एज बहुत ही बेहतरीन कैच. नीरज जोशी कमाल के फील्डर है. ये दूसरा झटका पावर प्ले में पुनेरी बाप्पा को.
Oh yes, that's what's happening. 24 for 2, Yash now dismissed for 9. Yashir Sagar, big responsibility on his shoulders. In at number... Yeah, he's picked up the best seeder. What a way to get off the mark. Takes the outside edge. Purple cap. And the slip! Oh, that's a missed chance. Go.
That is just so good to see. There is something so gorgeous about an inside-out shot that makes the game of cricket. Yeah! Gets the leading edge. Oh, what a screamer! Diving, pulls out a ripper.
He could have gone the same way, could have played the same way he had played the early shot, trying to flick that one towards mid-wicket, gets the outside edge, everything goes right. Montgomery gets on to a very good catch diving in front. Yashir Sagar goes on back for 13, 45 for 3.
Adway Shide comes in at number 5 now. They're only... That is a good shot. Came out of nowhere.
Apesh! Is anyone coming under it? Yes!
और बल्लेबाज को वापस जाना होगा. आधे ने बनाए 5, पुनेरी बप्पा 62 पे 4. थोड़ी सी मुश्किल लग रही है जब सेकंड इनिंग भी देखते हैं, लेकिन ये गेम इतनी सारी गेंदें डॉट खेलेंगे दिक्कत आएगी. यहाँ अपने आप लोग दिक्कत बना रहे हैं. डायरेक्ट हिट हुई है और दिक्कत बनाई है. जब इतनी सारी डॉट गेंदें खेलते हैं तो फिर रिस्क लेना पड़ता है आपको.
Next frame. Thank you. Bails are dislodged. The batter is short of his ground.
Yes, 64 for 5. A ball! Very fast delivery. What?
कमाल की लगी. लेंथ देखिए कितनी बढ़िया थी. बैट और पैड के बीच बहुत बड़ा गैप था. पहली गेंद में जाना पड़ेगा वापस. इनको तो विश्वास ही नहीं हुआ कि उनको विकेट मिल गई यहां पे, लेकिन जबरदस्त स्पेल डाला है यहां पे कदम ने अपने लिए. और देखिए फैंस भी कितना खुश हैं. वो डगआउट देखिए ओनर्स का, वहां पे कितने सारे लोग खुश हैं. उम्मीद नहीं थी इस तरीके से वापसी कराएंगे गेंदबाज.
65 for 6 after 12. On strike. Apesh! The ball will go through to the boundary. Hasn't quite timed it. Well done! Siddeshveer!
हार्ड लेंथ को हिट करते हुए यहाँ बहुत लेट हो गए थे बल्लेबाज सोहन, बहुत लेट हो गए थे। और अच्छा कैच पकड़ा वहां सिद्धेश वीर ने। वापस भाग के कैच पकड़ना आसान रहता नहीं। ये लीजिए भारी किनारा लगा है, मौका था ऋषभ।
At times in this tournament has been brilliant, but this was an opportunity missed. That too of Suraj Shinde of the very first delivery that he
The required run rate at 13.04. Confusion. Oh, back throw. Again on the return, there could have been a chance. Almost. They'll have to attack. The intention was clear. Fielder at long off coming in. Should be an easy catch. Taken. So Yash was trying his best, but in the end, it's going to be Tanay Sangvi who's saying, I am there. I am taking the Raigad Royals into the finals of the Adani Maharashtra Premier League. Sangvi once again, Yash Jadhav dismissed for 14, 93 for 8 TB. Low full toss, how well has he connected? Yes, very well. Oh, mid-wicket 6 runs, what a way to finish the over. After 80. Is that to negate that one? Oh, yes! Oh, he's crunched that one. Now against Kadam. Standing there, how well has he connected straight to the fielder? Oh, what a catch! That should be game, set and match for the Raigad Royals. The ball was travelling at the speed of knots.
यहाँ पर भी उंगलियां फेरी थी निखिल कदम ने। टाइमिंग बेहतरीन था, आगे भाग के आए, ओह जबरदस्त स्पीड में था ये, और बहुत ही बेहतरीन कैच, मैच विनिंग कैच, फाइनल के लिए क्वालिफाई करने वाली कैच थी।
Danger man, Suraj Shinde dismissed for 22, 107 for 9. In trouble, Puneri Bappa. Can they connect? Full toss in the air, fielder taken! So Raigad Royals have beaten the Puneri Bappa for the first time in the Maharashtra Premier League. A team finishing on the 3rd position in the points table have made it to the finals. It's been a royal performance by the Raigad Royals. On the other hand, the Forest Puneri Bappa must be thinking, what did then? What happened? At the end of the by the Raigad Royals, and that's the story of the second qualifier. Raigad Royals so put into bat 133 for 9 is what they could manage in their allotted 20 overs. Siddesh top scorer 42. Ramakrishna Ghosh and Nikit Dumar picked up 2 wickets each. And while chasing, which was the decision made by Puneri Bappa, they fell short by 25 runs, 108 all out.